QJ 1078. A product's vision is encapsulated in its structure. Its DNA is an imprint that lives on over time. 1078 is a motorcycle that possesses a soul of its own, an expression of its identity, an approach not reliant on emulation but purity, and redefinition of what can create an emotive sports motorcycle without the shackles of tradition. Integration as a synergy, the interaction between two opposites and the departure from European thinking right down to the smallest details. This is where the philosophy outlined in the projects originates. It's a motorcycle capable of embracing and envisioning the future of the brand and potentially influencing the future family of products. The 1078 engine, combined partially with the technical base from the consolidated MV Agusta F4, represents a design challenge of distinction and differentiation. 1078 was born to express its modern form with futuristic features that differs from European brands and identifies itself as proudly Chinese, decisive, consistent and unique. These are the values that have influenced the design of every part of the bike, in a search for an innovative, distinctive, but above all, conforming to the style of its parts. The QJ brand faces a more confident future with a clear road and a decidedly more visible path through an established image. 1078 provides a new way of interacting with a motorcycle. The physical object becomes digital. The levels of fruition are augmented through the interaction of QR codes positioned strategically throughout the motorcycle. Each component comes to life and yields crucial information to the user, to the dealer, and to a bystander. The motorcycle comes alive and expresses itself. Every area communicates without confines. From contrasting things comes the most beautiful harmony. This is the genesis of the basic concept on which the 1078 takes shape. Visual tension is outlined by the contrast between shapes and finishes. Soft forms contrasting sharp forms, light contrasting dark, skin contrasting structure. Perceived appearance in the technical components with contrast by light, material and shapes highlighted by component construction, providing contrast between the technical and stylistic parts. Organic press molded forms are mechanically integrated with rigid angular technical shapes. This contrast provides a perfect balance between the two parts. Each technical component is designed following this philosophy of 1078. All elements reinforce the concept of the motorcycle. They become exclusive objects of this product. Each component was designed with extreme attention to detail, both for visible and seemingly hidden parts. The taut LED front headlights, substructure, air intake, and front screen all form defining elements to create a uniquely identifiable face. Like two wings emerging from the fairing, the air intake is formed through the offset surfaces of the lens and screen to duct air seamlessly through the inlet tracks. Each element is placed in the foreground, the first level, connected visually in harmony. The face has a definite shape, an expression that communicates clearly and powerfully. Transparency is a key element, providing aesthetic lightness while providing the opportunity to introduce layering and depth. Everything has been designed following a consistent mindset, reflecting a vision of a definite philosophy. This is called 1078.